Hi, Eric Poulin here from the Digital Marketing People. We look forward to working with you as we deliver your digital marketing services. This platform that you're seeing, called Teamwork, is what we use to keep all of your project-related tasks and assets together in one place to keep all the communications contained and in a way that we can easily rely on and can refer to as needed. It's also a place where you can come in at any time to see where we're at with delivering your services, make any comments, and include your input on the various tasks that we're performing. When you log into Teamwork, you'll immediately be brought into your project, and you'll see a list of the various tasks that we have scheduled for your project. As you look at the tasks, you'll see at the far right several icons that appear as you hover over these tasks. As you hover over, these are the various different things that you can do with the task, including adding comments, adding time against the project, setting a priority, seeing how much progress has been completed against the task, and so forth. Without hovering over the task itself, you'll see that some icons are already available. If we look at the first task, you'll see that there is a speech balloon with a number 1. This indicates that this particular task already has one comment on it. If you wanted to see that comment, you can hover over that speech balloon and just wait for a moment and the comment will appear above. Or you can click on that particular item and the detail will show up in a side window. Similarly, in the second task, we can see that this one has an icon of a red exclamation mark indicating that this one is considered a high priority task. We also see beside the Add Task button that there are 2 completed. Completed tasks don't show up normally, but you can click on this link to show all of the completed tasks, and similarly you can see if there were comments or any other activities done on these particular items. At the top of your project, you'll see various different ways of interacting with the project and with the team that's working on your project. The board view shows tasks that are either to do, in progress, or done. This board view is not always used, and it is just a different way of looking at the same tasks that you can see here in the list view. The Files section is a way to house any files that have been uploaded to the system. These can be either from Google Drive or directly uploaded to the system, and will include things like your logo or any other assets that we might need to accomplish the tasks that we're working on. Notebooks are essentially just text documents that contain any minutes from a meeting or notes that we need to refer to from time to time. If we're working on your project that requires any usernames and passwords, there will often be a notebook here called User Credentials. In the Links section, any links that we need to documents or sources outside of Teamwork, we'll keep here in one place so that we can easily refer to them. On some projects, we're tracking our time. If you're on a project that is a retainer-based project, and you can see all of the details on the time tracked in this tab. The other tabs are used less frequently, but they're available here as well. Now, most importantly is the tasks that we are working on. You're going to want to make sure that you're on top of what we're doing, making sure that we're doing the right things for you, and providing any feedback as necessary. Often, you'll want to add your own comment to a task, which you can do by hovering over the comment button, clicking on it, and you can add your comment right here. And as soon as you click Save Comment, it will be sent to the people that you've specified. Note that you'll need to select the people that you want to be notified. And as soon as you do that, an email will get sent out from Teamwork, and everybody who's on the recipient list will receive it just like a regular email. Now, because we expect you're not used to Teamwork, and you may not want to be regularly coming into Teamwork to see what's going on all of the time, we've set Teamwork up so that whenever we make a comment on a task, it's going to email you that message. So the system will push these notifications to you without you having to regularly log in and check all of these various statuses. If you want to reply to one of those comments that you receive in email, you don't need to come back into Teamwork. You definitely can do that if you'd like, but to keep it simpler, you can just reply to the email and that response will automatically get added to the task as a comment in Teamwork, and everybody in the project will receive it. If you have any questions about how to use Teamwork, or if you want to get in touch with us as we're working through your project, feel free to reach out to me, Eric Poulin. Anytime, I'll be your main contact, and we look forward to working with you.